Welcome to the Resilient Family Service. The Resilient Family Service offers support to families by helping increase their resilience. The programme offers short-term intensive support for up to 12 weeks. We focus on your family's strengths by giving you the ability to bounce back. We can help families with their finances, housing, family relationships, schools and education support, early speech and language, accessing employment and training, building resilience, routines and more. We work with lots of different professionals such as healthcare workers, our commission partners, the Youth Offending Service, education, housing, financial support, the police, the voluntary sector and more. What to expect from the Resilient Family Service. During the first stage of the assessment, the assessors will complete a face-to-face assessment. This assessment will happen within 2 weeks of the referral. The second stage of the referral involves devising a family-led plan. This is where the family's goals are identified and prioritised. We collect service information to form part of this plan. Stage 3 involves a handover meeting with the family, assessor and the intervention worker. Here we agree the goals and actions. At this point, the assessor's role is complete. During the final stage of the referral process, the intervention worker will coordinate the family plan and all services involved. During this time, families would expect to work with several professionals to achieve their agreed goals. Sometimes we may need to extend support to a family for a further 6 weeks. If this is the case, this will be discussed and agreed between the family and the intervention worker. This is based on individual family circumstances. Families can ask for a self-referral by calling 01443 425 006. Professionals can refer a family by using a C1 form and emailing it directly to the IAA team at iaa@rctcbc.gov.uk. What information we need from you? We would need information on what is currently happening in the family. This would include the phone number, address, email, information about the family unit and the family's consent. The Resilient Family Service are also able to attend staff meetings, parents' evenings, coffee mornings and more. You can contact us by phoning 01443 281 435 or by emailing rfs@rctcbc.gov.uk. For more information, please check out our website www.rctfamilies.co.uk. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.